Many people reach their early to mid-40s and begin to notice that their vision for reading and seeing up close is blurred, fuzzy, and out of focus. This very common vision problem is known as presbyopia and affects people in or around their 40s universally. Presbyopia happens when the natural human lens loses much of its ability to change shape and can no longer accommodate or automatically change focus from far to near, much in the same way the autofocus of a camera works. For most people, reading glasses is the only way to correct this problem. But reading glasses are burdensome and have limited functionality. Different distances require different prescriptions, one pair for reading and another pair for computer work, and so on. As you age to about 65, the lens inside the eye continues to cloud, which leads to a decrease in vision. This is known as a cataract, where visual loss occurs due to clouding of the lens, which obstructs light from passing and being focused on the retina at the back of the eye. As a result, the cataract now needs to be replaced with an intraocular lens, or IOL, in order to see clear again. But IOLs, even the most technically advanced, usually only work for distance vision and don't change shape in the same way the natural lens did when you were young. So, once again, corrective reading glasses are required to see up close. The quest for a solution for both presbyopia and cataracts has led to a new way of thinking. Once put off for as long as possible and largely reserved for elderly patients, cataract procedures are now being performed on the relatively younger active population who has a higher expectation for the quality of their vision. Inspired by that thinking, LensGen, an emerging medical device company, is developing an innovative implantable intraocular lens breakthrough technology solution that has the potential to not only eliminate the need for reading glasses, but IOLs and vision correction procedures as we know them today. The LensGen accommodating lens technology is unique because it mimics the physiologic shape and function of the natural human lens and uses a proprietary design to restore vision to its original form, enabling patients to see clearly from distance to near and everything in between. As a result, LensGen is confident that it has discovered the solution for both presbyopia and cataract patients, ultimately restoring a full range of clear, natural eyesight and youthful vision. The LensGen accommodating IOL, restoring youthful vision.